Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is a quick tips and tricks video on how to tweak the settings of your touchpad if you use a laptop. There are a few settings, of course, on the touchpad that you might want to change, and this, of course, is to help out in either just changing the buttons for if you're left-handed or not, but also the sensitivity of that touchpad, because sometimes they're so sensitive that just putting your finger on the touchpad to do something will click, because touchpads you often actually accept clicks by tapping on the pad. Two places where settings are located in here. There's the settings that are available through Windows. If you go into your settings in Windows 10, you go into devices. On the left side, you'll see touchpad. Here, it will have different capabilities. It depends on your touchpad. Some will see more information than this. Some will see the basic information like I have here. And here you can actually play with the sensitivity of the touchpad. You want it more sensitive, less sensitive. If it taps or if you click on things just by the positioning your finger on the touchpad, maybe it's too sensitive, so maybe you want to lower sensitivity, or maybe it's not sensitive enough and you're tapping hard in order to have clicks. Well, maybe you want to have a higher sensitivity, so you have that setting here. But most of the settings are available in the control panel, so you can either search for the control panel in Windows 10, and then you go to mouse. Here it of course knows that instead of a mouse you're using a touchpad. It will have all of the device information for right-handed, left-handed, double click speed. You will have, of course, pointer options. You'll have wheel or scrolling options, the type of hardware that you're using, and of course device settings that you can have here. And some of these device settings you also have the ability to tweak depending, once again, on what device you have. You have the ability to do more. So in the device settings here, you'll see, for example, gestures. Your touchpad probably has two-finger scrolling capabilities, pinch to zoom in or out. So all of that can be triggered in here by all of this information. One last little trick to get to this panel quickly: you can actually look at the taskbar. It's often hidden in the hidden icons, but you should have this icon here that looks like a touchpad. And often if you put your pointer on it, it's going to say Synaptics Pointing Device. If you click on that, you're actually going to open device properties if you want. And in here you have, once again, all the options, including the device settings that you can actually tweak to do whatever you want. Often you have a little visual of what it does, so you can see that, depending on what you're doing with your device, what it actually will enable you to do. So there's different options here for pinch zooming or not. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thanks for watching.